So there you are, 10 hours into your first revival ever after watching a little too much Vice Grip Garage and Roadkill. But uh-oh, the seller didn't disclose to you that all the electrical was gone. So you finally got this thing running and driving and ready to drive it home, and you're just now realizing you don't have brake lights, turn signals, or anything in the back half of the vehicle. Well, you can't drive down the road like that. What are you going to do? Call a tow truck? That sounds expensive. Call a friend with a trailer? That's how you get roped into doing drywall next weekend. No one wants that. Here's what you need. Portable brake light kit. This thing runs off a DeWalt battery, magnetic trailer lights, and now you have turn signals, you have running lights, and you have brake lights and hazards. Everything you need to get this bad boy home. I mean, drive across the farm, because you would never drive this on the street. Let me show you how this thing sets up. I think you're going to love this neat little trick. I know I'll probably use it a million times in the future around the farm. Let me show you. Just unravel your new brake lights. Run them through the bed. And then just like that, brake lights. Make sure they're not going to fall. Through the window. And just like that, now you got brake lights running. So now all you gotta do is plug in your trailer wires, get your favorite battery of choice, hook that guy up, and just like that, now you got brake lights, turn signals, running lights, and even hazards. To be honest, I've gotten myself in many situations where I realized that the wiring was way too butchered and there's no way I was going to be able to fix it. And if I had this neat little tool, it would have helped me get to the other side of the farm. So I think this is incredibly useful. I'm going to use it all the time, I think. If you think this is useful at all and want to see how I built it from scratch, either like, comment, or subscribe. And I'll put a full tutorial out. I just don't want to do it if no one's interested in it. But honestly, I couldn't be happy with it. I'm super happy how this thing turned out. Super excited to get to use it. And always remember, a driver day keeps the therapist away. So get out there and start on your projects. Thanks for watching. See you next time.